Hello friends, today I am going to show you how I make my aroid acclimation soil. What I need, first off, this nice bucket. It is a 15-gallon bucket, just so you know. It has the latching lid, I like that, keeps the dirt in place. Now, we will be working with perlite, specifically peat, also containing some bacteria and fungus. So the perlite from the US used to be safe from asbestos, but that required actual consumer protection agencies to ensure the quality. Now I don't know about our perlite, so we're gonna mask up either way just to make sure we're safe. I'm doing this to protect my lungs. This is a KN95 mask. It's gonna protect me from any kind of like asbestos or particles that I'm gonna pour in the air. So make sure you wear your mask. So I use about 4 gallons of straight peat. Okay, because this is aroid acclimation soil, I'm using a fine-ish peat. It's like a medium, middle of the road. You can see, yeah, nice and medium size. I'll use about 4 gallons of this. So I normally treat making my soil very much like cooking. I kind of just go with what looks right. Since I'm trying to teach you folks, I'll do measurements. This is my acclimation soil. This is actually bonsai bark. It's much finer than orchid bark. This is going to take forever. It's going to be about 2 gallons. You want it to be about half of what everything else was. So what I'm going to do is take and put a nice layer of bonsai bark on there. I would estimate it's 2 to 3 gallons. Okay, next up is charcoal. This is a finer charcoal than most horticultural charcoals because I am using it for my acclimation soil. Again, it's going to be the same amount as you use for bark, a thin layer. I would say 1 or 2 gallons of this. Worm castings. This is a great source of nutrients. For this size container, I will use 6 cups. Okay, tree fern fiber is a new addition because I'm going to be doing some anthurium and things that require a little retention when it comes to moisture. I'm going to be adding just a smidge. So again, probably 6 cups of this tree fern fiber. And finally, for my aroid or any of my chunky soil mixes, aroids especially, I'm going to use 1 cup. I'm going to use 1 cup of lime because it's a large container. When I have this all together, I'm just going to mix it up, and that's going to be how I make my aroid soil. I'll show you what it looks like when we're all mixed up. This a couple more times, but just to give you an idea, this is what my aroid acclimation soil looks like. Let me get a nice mixed up piece.